I keep your heartbeat beating like a drum, give you that good feeling that you want forever.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I got I'm so excited. I know I said I will not do it again, but I had to do it. I had to. So my friend again calls me and goes, Charity, get these shoes, make sure you get them shoes. Like I've already said, I'm not a big fan of shoes. I'm not a shoe person. So I went and I tried to get the shoes, but I saw other things. I saw a whole collection of clothes, and that's what I like. I like clothes. So guess what I got? It came. Oh my god, the packaging. The packaging. I get it goes with the theme of khaki. Well, it's not khaki, but like natural and all that. But I don't know if the shoes comes in the same things. But I didn't get the shoes, so I didn't manage to get the shoes. But I got the jumper. So I haven't opened it. I'm gonna open it together and we're gonna see. So this is the jumper. Oh my god, hopefully you can see the camera. So this is the jumper. Oh, okay. Packaging. So I got a large because when I saw the jumper, I liked the jumper, but I also liked the vest more. But I didn't get the vest, so I got the jumper. But with the jumper, I was like, if I want a jumper, I want an oversized jumper. So I got a large. So hopefully this looks like a large on me. And it's a menswear. He only dropped menswear collection. He didn't drop any girls. I don't know why he's moving mad. Like, we all want to be part of it. So he dropped a collection for men, and it came up with these jumpers. And I got a jumper. I managed to win a jumper. So this is what the jumper looks like. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. It's got like all this little detail right here. And it says Jack and Cutlass. Because obviously it's got the Cutlass and then it's got Jack. I don't know if Jack is his name or what. I don't know. Then it says Air Jordans and then it says Jordans, all like hidden map. Like it's nice. It's actually really nice. And what I've noticed, the material on the side panel is different to this one, which is something I really like. And the sewing is on point. Oh my god, I really like it. I really like it. Okay, for the back. Are you ready? This is what the back looks. Look at the details at the back. And he's got like a middle seam which goes across, then another middle one, and it's got the Nike in between. So yeah. And then the part which says Jordans is so tiny. This is the part which says Jordans. This is the part where you know it's Jordans. But you got your tags, the Jordans. Oh my god. Standard fit. So I guess standard fit should mean if it's all, we can all fit it. I'm gonna try it on. I thought of selling it, but then I'm like, I don't have anything nice like that. Like everyone else will be wearing their essentials, God-fearing and all that, flexing. I don't have one, and I'm not about to buy one for £200 when I know people got it for £70. That's ridiculous. So I managed to get this. So let's see how it looks. this is it. Okay, it feels nice. So see what I mean by the detail. It feels nice. I'm not trying to get makeup on it. It feels nice, but it's not as warm as I thought it would be. But then I guess it's because we're going into summer, so it's not really gonna drop like warm clothes, because you wanna wear it into summer. So this is what it looks like. This is the bag. When I wear like that. It's just nice. It actually feels so nice. I'm so happy. So this is, I got it for like £100 retail price, and it's reselling for, let me see, just gonna go on StockX and see how much it's reselling for. So when I got it, I didn't know how much it was selling for. It was just £100 and I got it. It was nice. But when I then checked, once I got it, when I got the message saying you got it, I went and it said on StockX that it was selling for 300. That's what made me think, like, do I want to keep it or do I want to sell it? Or do I want to keep it, do I want to sell it? So because it was only selling for what? For 300. So I was thinking like £100 and I make £200 profit. That sounds good to me. So I got it. So this is all the stuff I got. I also got those Jordans, did not get them. I wanted them. Jumper, Jordan X, Travis Scott, and top did not get. Vest did not get. Joggers, I would have loved the joggers, did not get. The shoes, I was not into the shoes like that. I did not get anyway, so I'm not too fast. But I got the jumper and it got delivered. It left 5 days ago and it got delivered yesterday. And I was gonna check how much it was. So I got it for £104, which is not bad, and it's a large. Okay, and I can also return it. So anyways, going on StockX, let's see how much it's reselling for. So on StockX, it is reselling now. Oh, that is disgusting. It's reselling for, let's see, going by, oh, so it's gone up. Okay, so before, when I looked at it in the morning before I done this video, it was saying 190. So now it's selling for 202, which is not so bad. It's still making like a little, like £100, but that's but that's not what you're making if you sell it on StockX, because when you sell on StockX, they finesse you, they take your money, so they'll take literally half of it. So but what we're gonna do, let's check on Depop. Where's my Depop? Depop on Depop. Depop. Okay. That's the keys. So okay, I can't see the jumper. Oh, okay, someone put the jumper up. Okay, so someone on Depop is selling the jumper for $250, and that's a medium, which means my jumper will be going there for 300 because it's a large. So if you want it, that's the price. That is the price. Because you gotta remember, on Depop, people can like, they can talk, like you can get to see who's good at talking, innit? They'll be like, nah, I want it for this price, I want it for that price, even like so. But I like the jumper. I love the jumper. Oh my god. It's not like a winter, it's definitely a winter jumper, but it's them jumpers like, if me and my girls were going out, I would put like Jordans, some cute Jordans, the jumper, and leather trousers, leather jeans, leather trousers, leather, oh my god, leather trousers. This is gonna be so bad because I'm not even editing this video. I'm gonna put some leather, I'll put some leather trousers in my little bag, and yes, and we're ready for drinks. So this is like a cute, and what I like about it, I'm so obsessed with men's clothes, but that's because like they look bigger on me and you don't get to see my belly, so that's why I like it. But the fact that I can do this, when my nails are done, this looks so cute. This will be looking so cute. Oh my god, I love the jumper. I love the jumper. If you got the money, do go buy for 200. Go buy it. Go buy it. It's worth it. It's 100% worth it. I love it. Yeah, so thank you for subscribe to the channel, because I'll be getting this jumper with these shoes by Lad. So we'll see. Like, imagine if I had got the Supremes in my size. Like, I can already make an outfit out of it. So yes, yeah. So like and subscribe and share with your sister and my dad. And yeah.